Soon it was time for the decorating. Percy's driver was wrapping streamers and flags around his funnel. Thomas had a big red banner on his tanks. Even Murdoch was being decorated, although he was very shy about it.
We could have a contest for the best dressed engine, suggested James.
Just then, Gordon shunted in.
A contest?
He puffed.
I'm bound to win any contest.
You will have to be decorated, said James. This is a best-dressed engine contest.
Not me, puffed Gordon. You never catch me looking so ridiculous.